the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
Udah.
Ada ya? Mana boleh nemu lagi?
Ada.
Hi, today we are visiting KURUNDU ELLA. This is the third highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. It's 189 meters high.
நேற்று கண்டியில் இருந்து இன்றைக்கு காலையிலே வந்தோம். முதல்ல வார ரோட்டில் அப்படியே வந்து வலப்பனைக்கு வந்து வலப்பனையில் எங்களோட காரை நாங்கள் பார்க் பண்ணிட்டு இங்கே லோக்கல் கைட் ஒரு ஆளோட வந்திருக்கோம். இப்போ நாங்கள் வாட்டர்ஃபாலோட மேல் பகுதியை பார்க்க போகிறோம். அப்படி பொடி பட்டு நீங்கள் சாப்பிட்றது டயர் பார்த்துங்க.
Baby monkey! We are back. It's only a 10-minute hike. So now we're gonna take the jeep again and go to the base of the waterfall now.
Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be
Hydraulic plant.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be.
Now we reached the base of the waterfall. It's beautiful actually. Road was very difficult, but the last 100 meters to 100 meters walk was nice. Now we're getting tired.